Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina. If you're new here, I love posting girly content and this channel is all about cute pink girly things. I have a special guest. Everybody say hello to my new kitten. Her name is Selena. Selena, do you want to say hi to the camera? Isn't she so cute? She has a beautiful face. Look at her, she is stunning. Anyways, so today is really exciting, you guys. I finally got it. It's time! In my best Mariah Carey voice. It's finally here. I'm so excited. Wow. I've had this channel for almost 2 years now, and the amount of support that I've gotten on this channel is literally crazy. I started this channel a little scared because I thought nobody was gonna watch, and I thought that I would just be so cringe. And I do feel like some of my videos, like when I hear people playing them, I'm just like, ugh, that's me. Ugh.
The whole thing is just awkward.
And I hate hearing myself talk, but the more recent videos that I've been coming out with, like, it's just one of those things where you have to put your camera on and just shoot. And it's something that kind of gets better over time. Like, your content gets better over time, your editing gets better over time, and you shouldn't let anything ever deter you from doing what you want to do. I always wanted a YouTube channel since I was like, I don't know, since YouTube was a thing. I must have been like 16, 17 years old, and I always wanted a YouTube channel. And if you would have told me like 5 years ago that I would have a YouTube channel with over 100,000 subscribers, I would have laughed in your face. But now I have a YouTube channel with over 100,000 subscribers, and brands are reaching out to me, and it's just blessings on top of blessings, and I'm so grateful for all the support. Now, without further ado, let's get this open, and then I have one more thing to unbox with you guys. So, of course, it's not a video with Christina without my little cloud box cutter. Selena, you getting this? This is a moment in history. I am so excited. Oh, there's one more. Selena, you're falling asleep? Am I that boring? Okay, are you guys ready? Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, thank you. And then here are my little YouTube letter. It's on really nice paper. I'm going to save this for, I might even frame this and put it next to the award. Do you remember your first subscriber? My first subscriber was myself from another account. And my second subscriber was Jonathan. Thank you so much, Jonathan. I really appreciate it. Your 100th subscriber or your 1,000th subscriber, I don't even know who those people were, and that's the most crazy thing. I thought the only subscribers I would have are my friends and family, and sometimes I get like comments, and I can see how many times somebody comments on my channel, and it's the same. A lot of times it's the same person over and over again. It's a couple people. I wish I could shout them out here, but I'm so grateful to the girlies that have commented on my channel over and over again, showing love and support. It means so much to me that you guys really find interest in my channel and have been there every single video. I greatly appreciate it. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you've built. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. I'm gonna cry. Anyways, we know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? It's a little bit of an emotional moment for me because I worked so hard for this. Let's open it. I am so excited. It came with a... What is this? Oh, I think this is a silica gel to keep it from getting like humidity inside the box. And let's just have a look. Literally everything I could have asked for. One of my biggest dreams as a teenage girl. I'm so excited. I can't even contain myself. These are not tears of sadness. This is tears because I have so much excitement in me and I can't let it out because I'm just here in this little box that you see. And I just want to get up and scream and dance, but I can't dance because my foot hurts. This is so amazing and I can't wait to show it to everybody. This is small, but it's still very cutesy. I think it's even more cutesy now because I can just fit it on my desk. So if you ask me, this is extremely, extremely demure. I'm so proud of myself for getting this. This means everything to me. And then I also got this. This is not the second thing I wanted to unbox. Of course not. But it does go with my new award. I had gotten this on Amazon because I am an Amazon girly. Amazon loves me. I think I pay the rent of one of their buildings just in my Amazon purchases alone. So this is a little stand in silver for my Silver Creator Award. This is so I can keep it on my desk because I'm not quite ready to hang her up. And look how cute that is. Selena, we're just gonna slide you over just a little bit. I am so sorry, my dear. Okay, and now the thing that I actually wanted to unbox, because a video just unboxing this I thought was too short, and I noticed that you girlies like to hang around, so I have this I got during Black Friday. Super cute, and you know, I have been in my bow era a lot, so when I seen this, I did make that short. You guys saw that. I couldn't help myself. This was so cute, and it's here. And I got this bag just for the unboxing of this. I knew that this was coming already, so I figured how cute would a video be, and I can celebrate my accomplishment with a cute little bag. Isn't she just so cute? So this is the Mini City Tote. I have the large one, and you guys have seen that video. I'm going to link it here. And for the girlies who do want to make a YouTube channel, let me tell you, that's when I first started. And I had all kinds of issues. My camera wasn't really working that well. I was using what was I using back then? I was using an iPhone 15 Pro. Right now, I'm using a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. And you can see between this video and that video, the camera quality is just so much better now that I got things together. Also, I was having audio issues. I was really going through it, but I never got discouraged, and look where I am now today. So if you are a girly that has been on YouTube watching influencers and you wished you had your own channel but you were scared to start, look at where I am now. I was scared to start, but I just opened up my camera and I just went ahead and started recording, and now I'm celebrating. So this is the Coach Mini City Tote. Isn't it just the cutest little thing? So I do have the City Tote bag, and that is my workhorse. I use that bag all the time. Anytime that I go to school or if I'm going to work, that's my bag. I just throw everything in there. I do have a bag organizer, but I literally just keep throwing stuff in there even when I run out of pockets, or if it doesn't fit in the pockets, I just throw it in there, and I keep just piling things in there. It's such a good bag. It hasn't started to wear out yet, and I'm surprised because I have just abused that bag. It's my favorite bag. So when I saw that they made a miniature version, I figured this is so cute for like every day running errands when I do not need to take the world's biggest bag. This is adorable. And I love that it has these little bows on them. The bows do come in black, and they come in this kind of, it's kind of like a dark pink, or like a, I would say maybe like a raspberry, because you could see the handles are like a dark pink. And I'm a pink girly, always a pink girly at heart. So of course I got it in this color. So cute. Just going to go ahead and take the handles off so we can get a really good look. So cute. What a way to celebrate 100,000 subscribers. Just unboxing the cutest little bag. I'm having trouble with this zipper. It's a small zipper. They package these things really good. So it is, the large City Tote doesn't come with a zipper. Oopsies. The large City Tote does not come with a zipper, but the mini one does. I don't think the small one has a zipper, just the mini. And I'm okay with that. I appreciate the little addition of some detail. Selena is just knocked out. She doesn't have a care in the world about my 100,000 subscribers. She's like, Chica, I'm tired. Selena comes from Georgia. She was at a kill shelter and she got transferred to a shelter here in New York. I found her in Long Island. The name of the shelter is All About Cats. The adoption fee was $200, and it comes with most of her $200 comes with all of her vaccinations. They give you a little food, a little bit of kitten food to start out. They give you a toy and a blanket. And then if you do want to get them spayed, she's a girl, so obviously if you want to get them spayed, it's only $50 more. And that $50 you pay when it's time to get her spayed. So she is not big enough to get spayed yet. I think she weighs like not even 3 pounds. So next month she should be okay to get spayed. And she is just a good little girl. She has a great appetite. She's healthy. She's beautiful. She doesn't have, that I know of, any health problems. I will be taking her to the vet hopefully Monday or Tuesday. And she is just the sweetest little thing. What's the matter? What's the matter, sweet girl? She is just the sweetest little cat. Anyways, so this is the Coach Mini City Tote, and it is adorable. It has a crossbody strap, which was like the selling point for me because a City Tote, I can't even get it to the crook of my arm. Unless you're like 5 years old, you can maybe put it on the crook of your arm. But this is a crossbody bag. So, or you could wear a top handle if it's like, you know, a daytime outfit. But here is the crossbody strap for like kind of like an all-day wear. I would obviously be wearing this as a crossbody bag. So this is what I was saying. Like you can see it's not really so much burgundy. It's more of a raspberry color. So like a dark pink. If you are into the bow prints, but you want something that, you know, kind of just matches everything, I would say to go with the black one. I already have the Rowan in the tan and black. So that didn't really make sense for me to get that one. But it was really pretty. But this raspberry, I am just going crazy for this. I'm really loving the raspberry, so... Oh my god, there's just so much. I'm so bad at unboxing things on camera because there's just so much packaging and it's like I don't see it all. And I rewatched some of my videos like later on and I realized that like I think I'm done unboxing it and I'm showing you the full bag and everything, and it's like I left something on the bag, like a plastic or a piece of foam. My bad. So stinking cute. So that's the crossbody strap, and then let's see, we have just one slip pocket here. There's only one slip pocket here in the back. There's no other pockets. I mean, it's a really small bag, so what can you really expect? I will be doing a what fits in this. Probably gonna do it as a short, so stay tuned for that. I will be linking the videos together in the recommendations, but this is so cute. I love this. Brown bags are my favorite, and I love when they have some little pop of color because how many all brown bags do I really need? I love when they have a little something to them. So this is just adorable, and for the girlies in their bow era, this is a 10 out of 10. I love it. So thank you so much for watching today's video and watching me unbox this extremely huge part of a milestone for me and recognizing my huge achievement with me and this cute little city Coach mini bag. Super cute. I had a great time unboxing these things with you guys, and I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you are, you know, somebody who's interested in making a YouTube channel, then I think you just need to get your camera. It could be your phone. It's okay. I'm recording on a phone. My first YouTube video was recorded on an iPhone 13. So you don't need the most expensive phone to get started. You can add things as you go. Once I started to get paid with YouTube, I started to add more things. So don't think that you need a whole studio setup to get started if this is what you want to do and this is something that you always wanted. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a like down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That way you'll get notified of when I have another video for you guys. Okay, bye now.